Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to define class sections, which means we are associating the sections to the classes and making them active so that they can be used for allocation of students. The class sections definition is important to start the admissions and as the students are allocated to the class sections. And before you can start this activity, ensure that the school's facilities are defined and the class names and section names are also entered or saved. So let us see the steps to associate the class sections to respective classes and facilities. Click on the button MSTAR and select Module Configuration. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the configuration module. Click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Class section. As the screen opens, click on the academic year and select the academic year. After this, click on the button Session and select the session in which the classes needs to be associated. Click on the box next to the class and select the class which needs to be associated in the session, select it and then click on the section and the list of all the sections will appear. Let us select a section H. You can select the section A, B, C. For the training purposes, we are selecting a section H. Then click on the box next to the status and select active to make the class section as active. After this, double click on the box next to the facility and a small window opens. It has three sections: the facility header, which maps to the field facility in the screen facility, facility number, which maps to the field facility description in the screen facility, the sub-facility header, which maps to the field sub-facility defined for the selected facility description in the screen facility, and the sub-facility number, which gets derived from the field sub-facility description defined for the selected sub-facility in the screen facility. To select a facility for the selected class section, click on the facility header. As you click, the corresponding facilities created under the facility gets displayed in the next section, facility number. Then click on the facility number and the sub-facilities created under the facilities gets displayed in the sub-facility header section. After this, click on the sub-facility header and further the room numbers or the classrooms or the actual facilities defined under the sub-facility gets displayed in the sub-facility number. Out of these, select the facility which needs to be associated to the selected class section and the window closes while displaying the sub-facility number in the facility field in the main screen. So this means that this particular facility, the physical facility, will get linked or associated to the class section that we have selected in the screen, and this class section will get defined under the selected session. After this, in the box next to the allocated capacity, enter the maximum allocated capacity for the selected class section. Maximum 3 characters can be entered in this field and only numerics or numbers are allowed. The allocated capacity cannot be more than the physical capacity, and the physical capacity is derived directly from the capacity entered in the facility screen. After this, click on button Save and the data saving confirmation message is received, which means that the class section is now saved. After you have saved, click on the Clear button and clear the screen. And repeat these steps to associate other class sections as required. Now, let us see how to associate streams to a class section. Streams are generally the group of subjects, that is a combination of optional and main subjects which are specific to a class section, and all the students in the class section are associated to that stream. So, to associate the stream, click on the academic year and select the academic year. Select the session. Select the class and select a section which has already been defined. So the details of the section appears in the screen, and now click on the option next to the streams and highlight the circle. As you click on the streams, the box adjacent to these options displays various streams which are already predefined in the application. Click on a particular stream, and to add the stream to the class section, click on the forward arrow button. The stream gets allocated and get displayed in the next section. You can enter the capacity of this stream, and also this capacity cannot be more than the physical capacity of the class section. Click on button Save, and the stream is also associated to the class section. Click OK on the confirmation message and repeat these steps for other class sections as required. In case the stream needs to be disassociated, then let us see the steps. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. Select the class section again. And the stream as associated appears. Click on the row of the stream and click on the backward arrow button, and the stream gets deleted from the section. Click on the Save button to save the data. You can again view by clicking on the clear button and clearing the screen and selecting the class section again. So now the stream has been removed. So follow these steps to associate or deassociate the streams to class sections. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. Now there could be cases that the class sections once defined are no more required, or they have been defined extra. So let us see how to delete a class section which is already defined. But remember that once the class section is defined, it cannot be retrieved. And it can only be deleted if no transactions or no students are associated to the class section. So let us select the class section first. Click on the academic year, select the section and the class section, or after selecting the academic year, you can click on the button View. On clicking on the button View, all the class sections that have already been defined in the application will appear. Click on the class section to select, and its details appear in the main screen. Now since no other transactions like subject association or student association is done to this class section, we can delete this class section. Click on the delete button available on the top of the screen, and it gives us the confirmation message that the class section once deleted cannot be retrieved. Are you sure you want to delete the selected class section? Click on the button Yes, and the class section is deleted successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message. Now click on the clear button and let us again check from the list of the class sections. Selecting the academic year and clicking on the View button. Now 11th H is no more appearing in the list, which means it is deleted. Click on the Close button to close this window. So a class section must be defined so that the students can be allocated, and it can be deleted if no students or no other transactions are done. Thank you for watching this video.